you guys? What it do, what it do, what it do. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alethea and I welcome you and thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate you and I appreciate you for stopping by and watching this video and leaving a comment and liking it, because I know you're gonna like it, and going ahead and sharing it. Now that we've gotten all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the video. You all know that I am a makeup junkie, a bona fide makeup junkie. So much so that I have had people that have come into my room and have told me that it doesn't make any sense, all the things that I have when it comes to makeup. And I tell them, you worry about you and I'll worry about me, right? So with that being said, one of the things that I have done throughout the years, and some of you may have done that as well, is bought collaborations with influencers right here on YouTube. Now there are a couple of palettes that I've thrown away throughout the years, gotten rid of them. I think the Anastasia times Mario, I got rid of that palette. I think I gave that to somebody or what have you. But at any rate, either way it goes, I have some palettes here, some items here that I have purchased through collaborations because of influencers that I like, or either based upon what someone has said. And sometimes these influencers, I never even watched their videos, but because someone said that the palette was a good palette, an eyeshadow palette or whatever, I went ahead and got it. So did I have to get it? No, I did not have to get it, but did I get it? Yes, I did. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. As far as these things go, I'm not gonna tell anything. I'm not gonna say which one I like the best and all that kind of stuff, because that's not what I'm here to do. This is not a rating video. This is a video where I'm just telling you what I have. The very first collab that I ever bought, I believe it was the very first collab. I think it was. It was either the very first one or it was the second one. But at any rate, it's been a while. And that is the Missy Lynn times BH Cosmetics. Yes, I bought the Missy Lynn times BH Cosmetics collaboration. And this collaboration was a while back. I mean, this has been a while ago. I don't even, of course, there's no date on here. And if you don't know who Missy Lynn is, she used to be Start to Finish MUA, I believe. That was her name before she became Missy Lynn. But here's what the palette looks like. And no, this palette is not used up, because as it goes, when you're a makeup junkie and you have as many palettes as I have, some of them you get down and hit pan, but some of them you don't. And this one is one that I did not hit pan on. But I like this saying. I think what made me buy this palette was this saying she has right here on the palette. Can you see that? Start with confidence, finish with success. And I thought that was just so just okay. Yeah, very good. So this is one of the very first ones that I purchased. Another older one that I purchased, and I have the slightest idea. I've never watched a video from this young lady. I'm saying young lady because I don't know who she is, but it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Tamana palette. It's the Dress Your Face palette, and this is what this eyeshadow palette looks like. And one of the things I'm going to do while I am here at home, because we have this extended time, I'm going to go through my palettes. I've done it before, but I still have a lot of palettes. I'm going to go through them, use some of them, and if I don't use it, I'm just going to go ahead and share them with somebody. And then the next one is I've never watched a video from her. I think she just recently started vlogging or something. I'm not sure, but I've never watched one of hers, but it's the Anastasia and Beverly Hills Time Amrezy palette. Amrezy collaboration rather. And this is the palette. I don't know what else came in this collaboration, because back then when I was buying these collaborations and stuff like they are now, where you can buy the whole collab and all that kind of stuff, it didn't used to be like that, you know, but that's how it is pretty much now. But this is what the palette looks like right here. One thing I will say, that when it comes to a lot of these palettes, I have a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes because I like Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. So even with the collabs, if it's not a collab, if I like it, I'll go ahead and I'll buy it. So now I'm going to show you the Shayla times ColourPop Perception. I bought some other things with this collection, but I couldn't place my finger on them, so I may have given some things away. But this palette right here, it is still one of my faves. I have to say, I really love this palette. This is definitely one of my favorite palettes. No, it has not used and abused, but I like every color in this palette. And there are some palettes that I don't like every color, but I like every color in this palette. While we're on Shayla, let's just go ahead and go into her other collab with ColourPop. Yeah, with this one, I actually bought the whole collection. So it's the Proceed with Caution collection. So with this one, this eyeshadow palette is smaller than the Perception palette, but here this one is, and this one I need to pay some attention. I really do, because I have kind of just put this over to the side, and I have really wanted to use this yellow color, as well as, y'all, I can't see, as well as the yellow one is called Caution, and I want to use this tangerine type color right here called Warning. I want to use both of those in a look. So yeah, but with this one, here's the Proceed with Caution. What else do I have? I have some other things here from that one. Let's see. Okay, I think these are from the Proceed with Caution. It's Slow Down and Speed Up, the two lippies. And then I have, of course, the BFF3 and BFF4 liners. And then I have some lipsticks, and I think these are all from the Proceed with Caution. Come On Sis, Maxed Out, and Ooey Ooh, or something like that. These three lipsticks. So yeah, I have that whole collection. Let's stick with ColourPop since it's right here in my face. And then this one, I don't know who she is neither. I just bought the collection because I thought it was cute and somebody mentioned it. But it is the ColourPop times Becky G collaboration. And I bought several things from this collab. I thought I had the box from this collab, but I'm not sure. These are all the colors in this one. This one is a very pretty palette as well. And I need to show this one some attention. And what came with this one, and I don't even know why I bought these, because I'm not a fan of loose highlighters, but it's Chisme and Princessa, the loose highlighters that came with the collaboration. And then there were three lippies that came with this collaboration, and I got all of them. Why? I don't know, but I actually do like these lippies. And actually this one right here in the middle, this terracotta looking one, that is my favorite from all three of them. So the next one is one where I purchased the PR and everything to it, and that is the Fumi times Juvia's Place collection. And with this one, let me open this up. This collection came with this bag, this makeup bag. I love it, love it, love it. I haven't used it yet. I was going to save it for when I go somewhere and use it as a travel makeup bag. Still have the boxes in there from the items, but yeah, I really like that bag. And then here is the palette. If you have never seen it, here's the palette. And it just has 6 colors in here. It kind of reminds me of the Juvia's Place mini palettes, so to speak, because of the 6 colors. This is what the colors look like. And then this one came with 2 lippy pencils, and one of them is Afrique and the other one is called Doodoo. These are the 2 lippies that came with it, and these are not liquid lipsticks. These are like glosses, so to speak, very pigmented glosses. And then the last collab that I have, I do believe it's the last one, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Jackie Aina palette. Now Jackie Aina did a collab before with e.l.f. and I missed out on buying that collab, buying items from that collab. And I can kick myself for it because I don't know what stopped me from buying it. I don't even remember what happened, why I didn't buy that palette. That, I think it was, yeah, it was a palette, an eyeshadow palette, and it didn't last long. So anyway, I missed out on that one, but I didn't miss out on this one. And as a matter of fact, when I tell y'all, y'all may think I'm crazy, but I really do want another one of these palettes. This is what it looks like, and actually this is the palette that I used for my look today. But yes, I love this palette. Now let me say, when I'm saying I love this palette, I love all the other items as well. I may have not talked about them as much as I'm talking about this one, but that's because this one right here, this one has been on my vanity. I've used this one quite a lot since I purchased it. So this one has gotten a lot of use out of it. But yeah, I love all of my palettes and collaborations that I have. Now, the ones that I can say, if I'm being totally honest, that are not my favorites are the Amrezy and the Tamana one. I don't know why I got those. I don't even know why, because even since I got them, I haven't really shown them any love. With that being said, I do believe that is all of the collaborations that I have. If I have any other ones after I finish this video, if I locate another one or something, then I will put a picture in this video. But other than that, that is it. Those are the only collabs that I have, and these are influencer collabs. So if you bought some influencer collabs as well, please go ahead and share those and tag me in that video so I can see what influencer collaborations you have purchased and see if you're a junkie like I'm a junkie. So with that being said, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.